Welcome to another Microsoft Windows tutorials, and in this video we want to learn how to increase the size of our mouse pointer on the Windows interface. What is the reason behind increasing the size of your pointer on the desktop? That is, if you want to perform a specific task that needs the attention of the mouse pointer, this increasing of the mouse pointer will be very necessary. And sometimes when you are having a PowerPoint presentation where you want your audience to have a focus on whatever is going on your desktop, increasing the mouse pointer will draw their attention so that they can focus on whatever you are presenting to them. And also, if you are illustrating some task on the computer desktop or the Windows interface, having the mouse pointer being increased can also draw attention to whoever is watching from the screen. So I am going to show you how to have your mouse pointer increase on your Windows interface. Now, to do this, click on the Start button on the Windows taskbar, and you are going to have this interface, that is the Start menu. Then in the left pane, you click on Settings, and this brings out the Windows Settings interface, and we have this search box. We have our cursor blinking in this search box. You can click to type mouse settings, and you are going to have these options based on your search. And let's click on mouse settings, and this interface will be provided on your computer screen. Another way to get this interface is to hold your keyboard shortcut, the Windows I, and this brings directly your Windows settings interface. You can click to search for mouse settings, then you click on the first option, and this also drops you to this particular interface. You can easily get this interface by clicking in the search box, then you type mouse settings, and you are going to have the best match in the Start menu. Then you have a once click on it, and this gives you this interface which can help you to customize or personalize your mouse pointer. Now, at the right side of this interface, we have two options that are related settings, and the first option is adjust mouse and cursor size, and I'm going to have once click on this, and this gives you this mouse pointer options. When you look at this screen tip, it says change pointer size and color, and we have this slider here which can help us to reduce or increase the pointer size. And when I click on this and drag it, you can see that the numbers are increasing whilst the pointer is also increasing. Now I have the 12 given to this pointer, and when you look at this pointer, it has a black border and also an inner white color. This shows the current look like of this pointer, and I want to change this as well. Therefore, I am going to the right side where we have the related settings, and we have another option that says additional mouse settings. Let's click on this to bring back your previous window. Left click on the additional mouse pointer. You are going to have this best window that says mouse property, and we have some tabs here. We have the buttons, pointers, pointer options, wheel, and hardware. When you click on the pointers, you have a scheme you can apply to your mouse pointer, and currently it is set to none. Therefore, I'm going to click on this drop down arrow, and we have this list that can be chosen to be applied to our mouse pointer, and I'm going to look for this option that says Windows default extra large system scheme, and I'm going to select this option. And after selecting this option, you have a preview here, and you click on apply and click on OK. Now I'm going to close this window, and you can see that I have my mouse pointer increase on my Windows interface, and you can use this to perform any tasks You can use it to have an illustration during your PowerPoint presentation. Let me open a PowerPoint presentation. Now I have this PowerPoint file open, and if I want to enter into the slideshow mode, I'm going to click on the slideshow on the menu bar. Then I click from beginning, and this is going to jump us to the slideshow interface, and you can see my pointer very increased in size, and which can draw attention for the viewers, where I can be pointing at objects on the screen by illustrating this to my audience or my followers. So example, input devices are devices which are used to input data into the computer system, and these are examples of input device: mouse, barcode scanner, joystick, where you can draw attention of all these, and this helps to have a better look of your mouse pointer, and also it draw attention of your audience during your PowerPoint presentation. So these are some of the necessity of having your mouse pointer being increased on your Windows interface. Hope you like this video. Please give it a like, share, and also drop your comment in the description below.